The deal, we've had auditions open at thedealgh.com. This is the 11th hour, so you can still feel free to apply. It's the 11th hour, and so the chances are that maybe if you have a great application, you can be eligible for the next season. But definitely go to thedealgh.com, check it out, put in an application if there's still time. And we really want people to follow what happens in the house, because there will be lots of lessons, not only for the people in the house, but for everybody watching. And if you're a university student, you should log on, you should turn on the TV, on campus TV, and watch your favorite contestant. Whether it's the person from your university, you can rally around that person, or if you just find that there's somebody there that you really want to give a push to virtually, you can go ahead and do that.
Is there social media involvement in this? It wouldn't be complete if it isn't.
Oh, absolutely. It's the Deal GH. You can find us
on
Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram. It's the Deal GH is the handle.
Okay, and let's talk about how you're going to select your winners. Are people going to be voting?
No, so this is going to be, there'll be judges. We have a panel of judges, and so every week that airs, the actual competitions will be happening a little faster than that. But during every episode, there'll be some sort of business task that the two teams, we'll start with 2 teams of 5, that they'll engage in. And based on their performance in that particular task, there will be a winning team and a losing team. Okay, so
it's not like people seated behind, because often the argument has been that when you open the floodgate for people to vote, then you're not really getting an expert opinion, because the people are voting because they like him, because they like Mr. Nduom, or they just like you, but not because you've done or you've achieved or you've done great with the business idea. So it's an expert review sort of thing. Okay, well, great. This is an opportunity for you to get something doing. Of course, we're looking to reduce the unemployed youth, or the number of unemployed youth in this country. So obviously, by all means, take advantage of this opportunity. So go to dealgh.com, dealgh.com. That deal. Okay, so THEDEALGH.com. That's where you need to go. Find them on all social media platforms, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Instagram. Yeah, great. And you know, you never know, you might be the winner. If you do, you might remember me and bring me some of the cash. Thank you very much for coming through, and thank you very much for giving this opportunity to our young people. Nana Kweku Nduom is son of Dr. Nduom.